How to enable cookies on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to enable cookies on Android. Without further ado, let's get started. So cookies help website remember your preferences, keep you logged in and deliver a better browsing experience. In order to enable it, on your Android phone, open the browser you normally use like Google Chrome. Navigate to three dots at top right. Look for a setting option and tap to access it. On the setting page, go to the site setting option. Now tap on third party cookies option and make sure that you allow cookies. By selecting allow third party cookies option at top of your screen, site will work normally if you enable it. You may also leave block third party cookies in incognito mode, turn on for better privacy while browsing privately. And that's it. Cookies are now enabled on your Android device. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more Android tips and tricks.